It is the front of house for our Emirates. So we wanted to do something spectacular, something iconic, something everybody will remember.
The amazing part about it is the engineering and the architecture. It will be one of the most recognised buildings on the planet. We chose Bentley. There are not many competitors who could do a project on this scale. So really you're looking for a software and an environment that is proven, and we know that it can flex over time. So as we develop, we can develop that system to meet our needs, and there's no question that Bentley provide that.